Thank you for this food mommy made for us, as we eat it in the nourishment of our bodies in Jesus' name.
Amen. See Blessing here. She doesn't like burger, so be it bought or homemade one, she only eats the chips. See her face. They are having it with orange juice. You are mosquito, medrigi. Please go. Where is the mosquito here?
Yeah.
Everything is mosquito. No God. Mosquito. Everything that is flying is mosquito for Blessing. Favor, hold Blessing, please. And Joshua, watch before you cross. Hello guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon stroke evening. It's almost 4 o'clock, but we are here to pick Caleb. His school bus will soon arrive. I usually come alone, but today I'm like, let me bring them down so they can play a bit before we go back upstairs. So we are here a bit earlier than the usual time I used to come down here. Hi, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing great. I'm doing good as well. Hello guys, good afternoon. I know I've greeted you guys before, but I don't know, I just can't stop greeting. Why is it now that I want to talk? I just shifted over here just to have a one-on-one chat with you guys because Caleb's bus hasn't arrived yet. So oh, they have stopped. Those people that are renovating our neighbor's building, they are working there right now, so they will just turn on the machine, and at some point they will turn it off and turn it back on again. So I hope they don't disturb me until I'm done with what I'm about to say. I'm just so excited because it's the last day of school today, although it's just Favor and Joshua. Today is their last day of school, and Caleb will still be going to school until the end of this month, which is like, I didn't even remember it. So this morning, it was Hobby that after getting them ready for school, Hobby was like, I hope you remember that Caleb is not, today is not their last day of school. They have started again. I hope you remember that today is not the last day of school for Caleb's school. And I was like, yes, it is true. I was like, why can't they close when other schools are closing? Why is it that other schools are closing today and they will still be going to school, you know, until the end of this month? Like, does it really make sense? So I'll still have to be waking up in the morning to get him ready for school. The bus is here. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later, okay?
We can go to Luna.
Favor, that's Caleb. Caleb, can you stop this? Must you watch this bus until you can no longer see it? Just remember that very soon now you will stop entering school bus. I hope you know that. Oh well, yesterday he was telling me that he wants daddy to be taking him to school, that he doesn't want to enter school bus anymore, right? Are you still standing on that? Do you still like the school bus, or you want daddy to be taking you to school? Which one do you prefer, daddy's car or the school bus? Daddy's car. Don't worry, by September you will start going.
September, because we will start home until September comes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the bag he came back with. What's inside the bag? Did you check, Favor?
Yeah, it is just something.
Some painting?
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay. Oh yeah, let's go, let's go. Goodness. Not today. We are not going to the park today. Please, let's go. Where are they? Can we go upstairs, please?
Okay.
Not today, please. Did I do bad thing by bringing you down here? I should have left you upstairs and come down by myself as usual.
Mom, this air is very fresh. I would like to go to the park and collect fresh air.
So there's no fresh air in our house.
No, it's just some.
These children, please, let's go. Oh yeah, Sinusaida. Neuzo, this is our house. This is the road to our house. Ngwa. Nenuka kishi hadecha. Not today, okay? Please. And oh guys, about I wanted to update you guys about my leg pain, which I told you guys in my last video that I'm okay now. Like, I can walk very well now. I can run a bit. Yeah, you know, that kind of run. Go. You know, that kind of run that when you are running, you'll be limping. Wait for me. That's the type of run I can run. Blessing. That's not how to answer me. Blessing, oh. Is it funny? Blessing. Nenisia, look at your hair. Blessing. You were beating me, right? You are beating your mommy. I will tell Sister Zoma, she will flog your bum very well.
She can't.
She can't. Did you guys hear her?
Yeah.
That she can't. I will tell sister she will smack your bum in church. When we go to church on Sunday, I will tell her that you're beating your mommy. She will flog you.
And she can't.
She can't. You are still saying she can't. Okay. Don't worry. Let's go to church on Sunday. I will tell her for you. I'm going to tell her that Blessing is beating her mommy. What is this?
Are you sure?
What is this? You are beating your mommy. What type of thing is that? Blessing. She will, oh. She can. Do you know she can? Did you say
She can't.
She can't. Hey, Jesus. You will not tell me sorry now so that I will not tell her. Tell mommy sorry. Say, mommy, I'm sorry.
Yeah, tell daddy if you do so.
You will tell daddy. Hey.
I tell daddy if mommy does so.
Jehovah. Have you guys seen the type of akporoka I'm dealing with in this house? Only this child. They say one man too many is Blessing. Blessing's name is one man too many. That she can't, and you will tell daddy. So your daddy is your Superman now, right? Say, mommy, I'm sorry for beating you. What prompted this morning is that we were reading, this is the next day, by the way, guys. We were reading the Bible, and so she wanted to drink her tea as usual. Favour went and made the tea. Before she was done drinking, we were done reading, and she became offended that why didn't we read with her? Why didn't we wait for her? She started crying, and I was like, okay, let me read with you. I read and I told her to repeat after me. She now repeated with anger, with angry face. And I was like, read well now. Is that how to read? She busted out crying and started beating my leg. And I was like, I will tell your sister in church, their children teacher in church. And she said that she can't flog her. Can you imagine? Say, mommy, I'm sorry.
I'm not saying it.
Mommy,
Hey, Jesus. Shift to Teba, shift. Let's see your face. You are not saying it. Come here. Come back here. I want you to come back here. Come and stay here. Say, Mommy, I'm sorry.
bless you.
I'm not saying mommy.
I will not be your friend again. Let me go and make custard and drink by myself. I will not give you.
Bless you.
Say, Mommy, I'm sorry.
Mommy.
Say, Mommy, I'm sorry. Blessing, are you my friend? Mommy, are you my friend?
Mommy, I'm sorry.
Brava! That's my baby. High five.
I'm sorry to beat you.
Oh, I love you, my baby. You are the best. You are so cute. You are the cutest.